I apply for a skilled worker visa if I have been an overstayer in the UK? In short answer to this question, yes, of course, but only if you are already in your home country. So the first step that you need to do is to check whether or not there is an entry ban. How long ago did you leave the UK? You can't apply if there's an entry ban. And you might ask, what do we mean by entry ban? It means that if you breached any immigration rules, such as you overstayed in the UK, you were detained or deported, then you can't re-enter the UK unless the ban has expired. Now you need to check the various period of bans in this video. The link will be in the description to watch this video. And also you can see if you meet the suitability requirements, but more on the suitability requirements below. The second step is to check your immigration file with the Home Office. So you need to check your file, and you can watch this video on the description. The link will be on the description to watch how to make a subject access request. Now, you might ask, why do I need to check my immigration status? And the quick answer is because if you overstayed in the past and did not inform the Home Office of any change of your address, so it's typical for overstayers to move addresses so that the Home Office don't catch up with them. So there is a chance that the Home Office may have issued you with notices and that you weren't aware of. So you need to check, because when you complete your visa application form and you do not disclose all the adverse immigration history accurately, that may be considered as deception and you can get banned for 10 years. So let's talk more about the suitability requirements. The fact is that if you were an illegal immigrant in the past, you may not meet the suitability requirements. But the great news is that the Secretary of State, under their immigration rules, he or she can exercise their discretion in your favor. But as they do not know you, you will need to explain why you overstayed and what you have done so far in your life and why you are applying to return to the UK. If you just click submit on your application form, and yes, you may have mentioned that you breached the immigration rules or that you were an overstayer and so on, without any explanation, then it won't be as helpful compared to when you actually humbly request the visa officer, the Secretary of State, the Home Office, the UK Visas and Immigration to exercise their discretion and to allow you to return to the UK. So this is why the power of visa letter helps. We helped applicants to the UK by checking their cover letters. You don't need an immigration lawyer to apply on your behalf, but you need a humble letter to accompany your application. We can do that for you. So book an appointment to discuss how we can help you secure your skilled worker visa.